In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to activate voice mode on Claude AI. By the end, you'll know exactly how to start speaking to Claude, grant the right permissions, and turn voice mode off when you're done. First, open Claude AI in your web browser and sign in to your account. Give the page a moment to load fully so all the features appear. Once you're in the chat area, look near the message box for a small microphone icon. This is the voice control for starting and stopping recordings. Click the microphone icon to begin. The first time you do this, your browser will ask for permission to use the microphone. Go ahead and allow it. This permission is essential. Without it, Claude can't hear you. If you have more than one microphone connected, choose the one you actually want to use. Headset mics often provide clearer audio than a laptop's built-in mic. After you've granted permission, you can start speaking naturally. Try to talk at a steady pace in a quiet room and keep the microphone a few inches away from your mouth to reduce background noise and popping sounds. Claude will capture your speech and prepare it as input for the chat. If you need a moment to think, that's fine. Just pause briefly and continue. You don't need to over-enunciate. Clear, normal conversation works best. When you're finished, click the stop button or the same microphone icon to end the recording. You'll see your spoken words appear as text, or you'll see that the recording has been submitted to Claude. Review what's on screen, and if everything looks good, let Claude respond. If something didn't come through clearly, you can click the microphone again and do a quick re-record. If at any point you want to turn voice mode off, simply click the microphone icon again to disable it. That prevents accidental recordings and keeps the chat in text-only mode until you decide to use your voice again. A few quick tips before we wrap up. If you don't see the microphone icon, refresh the page, update your browser, or check that site permissions haven't been blocked. In your browser's settings, you can confirm that the microphone is allowed for Claude AI and switch to a different input if needed. And remember, you can always return to typing whenever voice isn't convenient. That's it. Log in, click the mic, allow permission, speak, stop, and click the mic again to turn it off. You're ready to use voice mode on Claude AI confidently and efficiently.